Alright, quick video for cooking. We're going to be eating carp. Cooking carp for the very first time. I'm going to be real with you. This fucking fish stinks. My hand still stinks. I soaked it in a brine for 24 hours and we're going to start cooking it right now. Many has been saying to eat it the way it is. No. It stinks. So I got all this seasoning with it. I'm going to do some butter with it. I'm going to do some slap your mama, some whatever that is, and some soy sauce, some lime. I don't know, man. I'm scared. But we're going to cook this up right now. And stay tuned. Alright, so there you have it. And let's put that there. This thing's on fire. Alright, let's move on over here. And there's your, there's the fish. There it is. And now it's time for the scary ass taste test. Alright, let's have it. I am not looking forward to this. We're just going to try it straight up. Okay? Oh gosh, I'm scared of the bones too. They have a lot of bones, I've heard. Is that done? Is that done? Oh man. Oh gosh. Never been scared of anything. Here we go. Ooh. Doesn't taste like fish. Gotta try it again. It tastes butter. I taste that. It doesn't taste bad, you know, like many say, but I think the thought of it just scares everybody. It tastes fatty for some reason. It tastes fatty. So, there it is. It has a lot of. You ever taste like on a trout wherever the fatty part? Maybe that's kind of like what it is. It feels like it's a fatty fish. No bones yet. There is a hint of fishiness, a little strong, but I do taste a lot of butter because I put a lot of butter on it. But let's change it up. Let's put some of this on there. You know, and we'll throw some soy sauce as well. Is that too much? And we'll put some tahini on there. And let's try it again. Okay, here we go. Get some of that soy sauce. Oop, I dropped it. Alright, so there's that. Let's go. Okay. It tastes a little better. I'm just scared of the bones. Everybody talks about these bones. But no bones yet. I think I can eat it, but are these fish toxic? I'm just gonna pull back. Right there. Okay. What's that? No bones. Hmm. Okay. Maybe. Maybe. I'm just scared to get sick, you know? So there's the skin, but I never did like the skin anyways. It just comes right off like trout. Okay. Very... feels fatty. I don't know if I want to eat the skin. Should we taste it? I'll taste it, but I'm not gonna eat it. Ugh. A lot of flavor. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty good. But I didn't want to swallow that skin. Let's dig in. Look at that. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Would you eat carp? Huh? Still no bones, because I'm taking my time. I'll tell you what, you gotta season it. It's a fatty fish. It's a fatty fish. But I think you'd eat it if you didn't have any other fish. So there's the bone. Look at this. There's a Y bone. Okay. Big bones. Big bones. You know, you just gotta take your time, pick your food. Oh, there's another one. Sneaky ass bones. Sneaky bones. A little sketchy. A little scary. The Y bone right there. So you just gotta pick through your food. Try another piece. Okay, that one. There, it is fishy. It is fishy. You know. I don't know. It has a lot of freaking bones as you get more into it. Look at this. Look at all those. Look at that. Look at all those bones. See that? You can kill yourself. You can kill yourself eating this. A lot of bones. I don't know. Maybe mash it up. Okay, this has no bones in that one. Let's try it. You know, very fatty. Not so much mushy. It's not dry. Maybe it's the way you cook it. But hey, if you're hungry, I think you definitely eat it. It's a fatty fish. I can't get past that. It's like on the part of a trout, you taste the fat part. I was never a fan of that. But scale 1 to 10. Whew. Would I eat it again? I'm gonna say no. I'm not gonna eat it again. And because it's too much work, too much bones, too much of cleaning it, easy to catch, you know, and it's just such a fishy ass taste. Maybe I gotta do a comparison with other fish, you know, or maybe it's the way I taste it, but whew, my hand still smells fishy. Fuck, you know. And there you are. There's carp. Go get yourself some carp and see what you like for yourself. I don't know. That's my intake. Blah.